And we're back to learning Inkscape in the year day 46. Let me show you how to create a home icon. It's a good idea to recreate it. I just want to show you this as an example for the Union tool that I've introduced in the last video. First up, we create a rectangle and then hold Ctrl when you drag a polygon. We make it 3 corners. And with the polygon, instead of a star, you have these straight lines. Position it on top of the rectangle like this. And then you can hold Shift and drag it to the right, and then the left-hand side will be adjusted just like the other side, so it's going to be symmetrical. Let me turn off the snapping and I'll make this a little bit bigger. Once again, I hold Shift when I go from right to left. It's a good starting point. We'll activate the rectangle tool again for the chimney. Maybe something like this. And as this should all have the same color, we can actually select it all, go to Path and Union to connect it. And now we'll use the rectangle tool again. Let me reactivate the snapping. And drag it like this. I'll make it white. And I put it a little bit to the right hand side. Also a little bit smaller on top, I think. Something like this. So this should be our door. I'm going to create right here the window. I'll hold Ctrl and go to 45-degree angle to have a perfect square. Don't try to union it now, because this would give the door and the window the same color. We don't want that. And press Ctrl Z. And now let me maybe create a background like a circle. Use the ellipse tool, hold Ctrl, 45-degree angle. How about, you know what? Let me delete this and I'll show you again so we couldn't really see it because it had the same color as background. I go to 45-degree angle and hold Ctrl. This locks the aspect ratio and gives us a perfect circle. I'll put it to bottom with the top function and then it's behind the house. As I said, try to recreate it to get some practice, and then we'll start with the next path operation in the next video. I hope this one was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.